severe weather continues to impact the Samoan region. Here's the latest from the country's meteorology division at 5 a.m. local time. Various warnings remain in place, however, a broad area low pressure system with an extensive cloud band and gale winds now lies over the Samoan island. Meanwhile, a tropical disturbance 08F currently lies southeast and is expected to undergo slight intensification, though the system will move further away from Samoa. The system is expected to maintain its southeast movement within the next 24 hours with slight development. The low pressure system previously analysed to the northwest of Savai, I haven't pronounced that one right, has dissipated into a trough of low pressure, while an active convergence zone that lies to the north of the islands and may bring heavy rain with strong winds damaging heavy swells affecting the group at times. Tropical disturbance 07F remains stationary near Tavalu, and that is in Vest 96P. The one that's moving away from Samoa is 08, which is in Vest 93P, and that has been on the radar for over 2 weeks now. However, heavy downpours, poor visibility, strong and gusty winds with flying objects, foggy, slippery roads over the mountain passes and ranges, strong river outflow landslides, localised flooding, and strong currents. And the next update will be issued around 5 p.m. Now here's the latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. They have Invest 93P now subtropical, and 96P remains at medium for further intensification. Invest 96P near 10.7 degrees south, 177.3 degrees west. This is about 447 nautical miles northwest of Pago. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery and a microwave image depict an extensive elongated area of fragmented convection extending northwest to southeast with multiple embedded weak low-level circulations. The Invest is experiencing good pole and outflow, warm 29-30 Celsius sea surface temperatures and low 15 knots vertical wind shear. Global models agree that several of those embedded circulations may gradually consolidate and intensify as they track southeast. Invest 96P is placed in a likely region for one of these circulations to consolidate. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 20 to 25 knots. Sea level pressure is around 998 millibars, and the centre has the system remaining at medium for further development. Bureau Meteorology, Tasmania has a gale warning in place for the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound. Strong wind warning for the far northwest, central north coast, east of the Flinders Island, the upper east coast, central west coast. And I'll have a similar warning or the same one in force for Wednesday. For New South Wales, strong wind warning in place for the Eden coast, and for Wednesday, possibly Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Batemans and Eden coast. And for Victoria, a gale warning will be in place for today, the west coast. Strong wind warning, here we go again, for the Port Phillip Bay, the central and east Gippsland coast. A gale warning will be in force possibly for Wednesday, east Gippsland coast. Strong wind warning, looks like it gets expanded. Port Phillip Bay, the western port, Gippsland Lakes, the west central coast, central Gippsland coast. And for South Australia, gale warning for the lower southeast coast. Strong wind warning for the Adelaide metropolitan waters, the lower west, central, south central coast. The Spencer Gulf, Gulf of St Vincent's, Investigator Strait and the upper southeast coast. That's for South Australia. And a strong wind warning over there in WA for the Leeuwin coast. And here in Queensland, major flood warning remains in place for the Eyre Creek, moderate flood warning for the Georgina River. Moderate flood levels expected on Eyre Creek and Badawi over the next few days. Moderate to major possible Glengyle later this week and over the weekend. Moderate flooding is continuing to ease on the Georgina River at Marion Downs. No significant rainfall is forecast for the catchments over the next few days. And whilst bringing the coastal waters information, we've had a look at the precipitation instability, supercell probabilities, and coming up storm probabilities from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. And definitely more storm activity likely across today and into tomorrow. However, 27.7 Sydney, 20.6 down there in Melbourne, 30.1 here in Brisbane, 20 Celsius or 20 degrees in Perth, 20.2 Adelaide, 19.7 Hobart, 24.6 Canberra, 31.7 Darwin. Maximum temperatures expected 34 Darwin, 30 Canberra, 21 Hobart, 22 Adelaide. Hot one, 34 Perth, 32 Brisbane, 24 Melbourne, 30 in Sydney. Supercell probabilities for the same period. Shower or two, possible severe storm for Sydney. Humid showers and storms again for Melbourne. Partly cloudy, Brisbane, mostly sunny, Perth, shower or two, mostly in the morning down there in Adelaide.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.